Guys, let's face it, 99% of men are fucking mediocre. They're scrolling through life, chasing cheap dopamine hits, and wondering why they feel like shit. But you're here because you're scared of being average, and that fear is your ticket to the top 1%. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to break free from the herd and become the man other dudes envy and women can't ignore. Stick around because by the end you'll know exactly what separates the kings from the pawns, and trust me, it's not what you think. First, you've got to get your head out of your ass. The top 1% of men don't let fear, doubt, or some asshole's opinion run their lives. They control their minds like a goddamn fortress. Start by killing the excuses. Feel like skipping the gym? Too bad. Discipline doesn't negotiate. Science backs this. Studies show self-control beats talent every time. So, next time you're tempted to bitch out, ask yourself, am I a man or a mouse? Spoiler alert, the answer better be men, because the clock's ticking. Want to know the secret weapon to lock this in? Hang tight, I'll drop it later. Step 2. Build a body that screams power. The top 1% don't schlub around with beer guts. They're lean, strong, and ready to dominate. Hit the weights, eat like a warrior, and ditch the junk. Studies say lifting boosts testosterone by up to 20%. That's the juice that makes you unstoppable. But here's the kicker. It's not just about looks. It's about feeling invincible. Ever seen a weak man command a room? Me neither. So, what's stopping you from starting today? Oh, and there's a trick to accelerate this. Stay tuned. Point 3. Own your social game. Next, you've got to talk like a fucking king. The top 1% don't mumble or kiss ass. They speak with authority and charm the room. Practice cutting the bullshit. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Research shows confidence trumps IQ and social success. People don't follow brainiacs, they follow balls. Hey, when's the last time you actually made someone laugh instead of just nodding like a zombie? Start today. Talk to strangers, crack a joke, own the vibe. But how do you level this up fast? I've got a hack coming. Point 4. Stack your wins. Finally, winners win. So stack your victories. The top 1% don't wait for permission. They take risks and build empires. Start small. Finish a book, crush a workout, close a deal. Momentum is a drug. Once you taste it, you're hooked. Studies say small wins rewire your brain for success, so why the hell are you still sitting there? Urgency alert? Every day you waste, some other guy's stealing your spot. But here's the twist. There's one move that ties all this together. Ready for it? Point 5. Obsess over growth. Here's the secret that binds it all. The top 1% are obsessed with getting better every damn day. Mind, body, social skills wins. It's all fuel for growth. They read, they train, they adapt. Pattern interrupt. No, this isn't some cheesy believe-in-yourself crap. It's a war against stagnation. Excitement hits. Imagine looking back in a year and not recognizing the badass you've become. That's the prize. Start now. Pick one thing from this video and act before you close this tab. The clock's ticking, brother. So there it is. Master your mind, forge your body, own your social game, stack wins, and obsess over growth. That's how you join the top 1%. Not tomorrow, not next week, but starting today. Want more? Click the end screen for my video on self-improvement. It's your next step to crushing it. Hit that like button if you're ready to stop fucking around, subscribe for more no bullshit truth, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's build that top 1% life, now.